This is the numerical of cam, and numerical is like this. Two mating tears have 20 and 40 involute teeth of module 10 mm and 20-degree pressure angle. The addendum of each wheel is to be made of such a length that the line of contact on each side of pitch point has half the maximum possible length. Determine addendum height for each gear wheel, length of path of contact, length of arc of contact, and contact ratio. So, given is teeth is a small gear having teeth 20 and a big gear having teeth 40. Module 10 mm, pressure angle 20 degree. These are the given. So we have to first find the addendum height of each gear wheel. And for that, first we find the pitch circle of a smaller gear. And let the pitch circle of a smaller gear is a small r, then that will be equal to mt by 2. M is module, t is the number of teeth, and divide by 2, that becomes 100 mm. Similarly, you find the pitch circle of larger gear, and by formula it is, if capital R is the pitch circle radius, then it is mt by 2, and this becomes 200 mm. Let capital RA be the radius of addendum circle of larger wheel, and a small ra is the radius of addendum circle of a smaller gear wheel. Then, as you know, according to question, the path of approach from figure we can see path approach is Kp, and according to question it is the maximum possible, half of the maximum possible length, and maximum possible length is m to p, so it is half of mp. And formula for Kp we have already derived. This is this much, formula is this much, and now mp is equal to r sine phi. We have already derived the formula. So by solving this equation, we can get r is equal to this much, and this is the addendum of radius of addendum of larger gear. Now path of recess, we know path of recess approach is Kp, then path of recess is PL, and which is according to question, it is half of the maximum possible length, that will be maximum possible is P to N, so it is half of Pn. And path of recess PL is equal to this much, we have derived the formula, and Pn is r sine phi, and it is divided by 2. So solving this equation, we can get a small ra, value of a small ra. Now addendum height of a smaller gear will be equal to, this is the addendum radius, addendum radius, circle radius of a smaller gear. So from that, if you subtract the radius of pitch circle of a smaller gear, then it becomes the height of addendum height of the smaller gear. Now we have to find the length of path of contact. So length of path of contact is, it is KL. KL is length of path of contact. Kp is path of approach, and PL is path of recess. and we have find the path of approach and path of recess also. So combining these two, Kp plus Pl will give the length of path of contact. So Kp is half Mp and Pl is half Pn. So from that we can calculate the length of path of contact because all values are given. Now length of path of contact, it has the formula. It is equal to length of path of contact divided by cos phi. And as we have this value, we can calculate the length of arc of contact also. Another is contact ratio. And contact ratio is length of path of contact divided by PC. P circle. And length of path of contact, as we know, we have to find the PC, and PC is equal to pi m. So substituting this value, we can get the value of contact ratio, and this comes to be like this. And this is the solution for this numerical. Thank you.